Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we're going to be replacing the brake booster, not the brake booster, but more the master cylinder on the 2007 Chevrolet Malibu, and it is the V6 engine. You are going to love this one, guys, and it's a lot quicker than you think. It should save you a lot of money. Let's jump in it, guys. Guys, welcome back. As I said, we are going to get this brake fluid reservoir taken off, get down to the brake booster. The big thing is I need to empty out the brake reservoir. So on this 2007 Chevy Malibu, we're going to jump in there. It's not bad at all. A couple nuts and a couple brake lines, and don't forget the harness on the right side. You definitely do not want to pull those wires out. So not bad at all, guys. Hey, make sure you smash that subscribe button. If this video does help you, hit the like button. Helps me, and it tells YouTube I'm doing a good job for you guys. So let's jump in this repair and get you back on the road. All right, guys, so here we are on the 2007 Chevrolet Malibu, and we are doing the brake reservoir replacement today. We're going to go ahead and take this brake reservoir off. Now, that is going to come with the master booster on it. There's no other way to get it off in the car, so we're just going to go ahead and take it off, replace the reservoir, and then put it back together. Now, first, we're going to go ahead and make ourselves a little bit of room by moving the coolant reservoir over. Of course, one of my nuts is stripped out. The other one wasn't. It is a 10 millimeter wrench that I use. You can also use a socket with a ratchet. That would probably make it a lot easier. And then you're going to use a 13 millimeter to loosen up your brake lines at the bottom of the brake reservoir. 13 millimeter on those two lines, and then 13 millimeter for the two nuts that are on the reservoir holding it on as well. You got one right there, and then you have another one diagonally on the right side of the reservoir as well. So you got to reach in for that one and get that one. Other than that, this is a very easy replacement. You can be in and out in about 20-25 minutes if you're taking your time. So there you go, guys. I hope this helps you out in getting your brake reservoir or master booster replaced on your 2007 Chevrolet Malibu and gets your Malibu back on the road. All right, so once you get those two 13 millimeter bolts out, you can actually bring the brake reservoir out, move it to the left a little, counterclockwise. That way you can unplug that wire harness. As soon as you do that, go ahead and move it back the other way, and you can slowly bring it out. Do watch your brake lines on the other side. That way they don't get caught up. Okay, and then go ahead and finish bringing your brake reservoir out. And there we go, guys. Great job. All right, now that we have the brake reservoir, new one on, or this one emptied out, in this specific situation, I had to empty mine out and replace it with the correct fluids, just to actually do it was a test I was doing on different fluids on the toxicity level. So I got bored and wanted to do it. So, all right, so now that here, I'll bring it all the way out. That way you guys see. All right, it's all the way out. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and place it back in there just like so. Okay, make sure you don't get caught up on those brake lines. Put it back in just like so. You want the studs. Do not put those on yet. You want to plug in your wire harness first, okay? And then go ahead and back the plate. Oh, let's move the brake lines on that side. My apologies, guys. Here we go. Now that we see we're gonna go ahead and just back it up right on there. You see how it's sitting on the stud now? And then this other side is also sitting on the stud. So here, let me try to focus in on that for you guys. All right. Oh, we are on the stud now. And do not put the brake lines on yet. We're gonna go ahead and put the nuts on for the studs, tighten those all the way down, then we'll go ahead and put the brake lines on, okay?